As you can see, I received a Xiaomi mystery box to celebrate Xiaomi Mi Fan Festival, and I'm very excited to check what is inside. So let's go! Let's check what is inside this first box. First thing we have inside the box is this letter. Hi Simi, Mi Fan Festival is here. To make it Mi Fan Festival to remember, we have a special challenge for you. Show us your Mi Fan Festival gifts and tell us your most memorable stories with Xiaomi or what you think Xiaomi as a brand. Team Xiaomi. So let's check what is inside the box first, and then later I tell you my story with Xiaomi brand. Oh, what is this? Let me check. What is this? Oh my god! They are figures! Oh my god! For those people who don't know, I'm a huge fan of figures. I have a huge collection in Brazil, and here in China I also have few. So let's check what they gave to me. We have a photo bunny, and as you can see, they look exactly as the photo in the box. Oh, it's very, very cute. And they even include one camera. Look at this. It's just too cute. And look at the details. It's really, really nice. We also got one tech bunny. Look how cute this is. And I really, really like the tools they sent together. You see the colors are very bright. And he is very happy, you see? Just like me. He's very happy with tech. And the tools. Oh my god, the tools are just too cute. Oh, I'm so happy. We also have one keyboard bunny. And as you can see, this is just too cute. They have one heart in the mouth. And all the accessories you put in the back of the figure. And our last figure is Explorer Bunny. As you can see, this one is very, very special. They have these Explorer clothes, and I don't know if you notice it, but all the bunnies come with one card, and each card have one history telling why they created this bunny. And behind this one have the Mi Explorers. As you can see, we offer chances for Mi fans to explore the world through Xiaomi products. Xiaomi products are always the most reliable assistant in the journey of Mi Explorer. In the first box, we got all these cute little figures, but seems Xiaomi prepared a lot of gifts for me this time. So let's check the second box. First thing we got inside the box is one Xiaomi Mi Band 6. I am really excited to receive this one because Xiaomi Mi Band 6 really have some improvements from Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Now we have one bigger screen with 1.56 inches. The resolution is much higher. You can see everything much easier now. We also have SpO2 tracking, and this time we have 30 fitness modes. The difference between the screen of Xiaomi Mi Band 5 and Xiaomi Mi Band 6 is huge. They really improve a lot, and I think it's worth the change. I also got one Redmi Note 10 Pro Mi Fan Festival Edition. Redmi Note 10 Pro is one of the best budget phone you can get. I'm really happy to receive this version because this version still have the same specification as this one, but as you can see, they have some improvements. The box is totally different. This one is much more cute, more colorful, and when you open it, you can see the difference. First, we have this card, and this card includes some stickers. Very, very cute. And we got the phone in this gorgeous color, gradient bronze. Then I also got one Mi True Wireless Earphone 2 Basic. You can see this is really minimalistic and very comfortable. And the last thing I got is this Ionic Mi hair dryer. As you can see, they include one magnetic nozzle. Very easy to install. This one for sure I will use a lot because as you can see, my hair is just a little long. What I can say about Xiaomi. In fact, Xiaomi is part of my daily life. If you enter in my house right now, you can see Xiaomi everywhere. My daily mobile phone is from Xiaomi, my bags are from Xiaomi, my hand soap, my cooking machine, my figures, my plushes. I have so many products from Xiaomi. Even my coffee machine comes from Xiaomi. And I have a lot of products not even from Xiaomi but also from Xiaomi ecosystem. My pets also use Xiaomi products and many products I bought in Xiaomi store. So for me, Xiaomi is one brand that allows people to have access of technology with an affordable price. And Xiaomi is also one of the reasons why I become one tech reviewer. So thank you very much Xiaomi for sending me all these gifts, and please don't forget to check my channel. The link will be in the description. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.